Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to edit in Remini app. So basically Remini app is for enhancement in adding filters, as you can see right here. And if you want to generate with an AI, you can always do that. So it's not more like an app to add filters and add new filters and add like maybe AI kind of Photoshop. So basically that's the only way, or basically that's what that so basically that's what the app for is, for filters and enhancement in AI. So let's say for example I'm gonna add this picture and I'm gonna see right here if there is a multiple results. So I'm gonna wait for a few seconds. Okay, and after we upload, you're gonna see right here the base V2 V3. Okay, though basically those are like an enhancement level. So if you want to add colors, you can add like color 1, color 2, color 3, 4 if you want to add like more than one color. And basically if you want to add like maybe background enhancer, you can just add by clicking it. You can wait for a few seconds, and as you can see right here, that's a background enhancer that's being used in Remini. So basically it's an AI / enhancement kind of app. If you want to like maybe add a beautiful face, you can do that. Okay, just basically you're gonna notice a slight change in the picture and made it a little bit better. So basically that's what's that's why the app is for. So it's just for enhancement filters and adding new filters and sharing those filters and uploading it to make your picture look more better, more clear. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.